It's been a while since I did an unboxing, but I got a good deal on the 14T and I've said, hey, why not? The device in my eyes looks gorgeous, it's not too light, not too heavy, and I think the device is made to be used without a case, even though there's one in the box. But since the back is made of some sort of material, or in other words, fake leather, it looks nice and you don't have to worry with fingerprints. One of the main reasons to opt for a Xiaomi phone is the hardware, design, the cheaper price compared to other phones, and of course the cameras. Well, the camera on the 14T is not too bad actually. I actually like how vibrant and clear the pictures are, and in low light it also makes some great pictures. But once you try to zoom, at least during the night, the pictures will become very unpleasant and it will lose a lot of detail. The fingerprint sensor works pretty well and it's fast too. I also like that when the phone is off and you touch the display, it shows only the dot where the finger should be to unlock it. Very cool. And that vibration that the phone makes, it's like a different vibration for different things that you do. I do quite like that. It's really something different than what I'm used to with Samsung phones. Since this is just an unboxing and the first impressions, I'll be testing the device in the coming weeks and then have a better view on how the device performs. But right now, I can tell you that the device has some pros and cons. The pros are that the screen is great, has 144Hz and it's very fluid, where some top smartphones out there come only with 120 or even 90. Not that the difference is big or that you will be able to notice it, but it's there. Cameras are great for daily use, smooth performance, fast charging and very good battery life. Now for the cons, well, I dislike at how much bloatware the device comes with, and there are many apps from Google that I can't uninstall or at least be able to disable them. So this is a big problem for me. And other big problem for me, and maybe you as well, is the fact that it doesn't have wireless charging. I mean, how? Why? The bigger brother, the 14T Pro, has wireless charging. Why couldn't this one have too? It's just going to be a no-go for many people. Now, for those that doesn't use wireless charging and doesn't give a damn about it, then it's fine, I guess. In other words, the Xiaomi 14T is a mid-range smartphone that offers a lot of value for its price. I paid for mine 355 euros with a 65-watt charger, which the charger was only €1. Normally the price is 39 euros, yeah, kinda a scam. The display is 6.65-inch AMOLED screen, has some vibrant colors and high contrast. This makes it great for watching videos and for gaming too. The design is sleek and looks premium, although the screen can be easily scratched, but at least there's a protected layer pre-installed, which is always a nice touch. Has a great battery of 5000 mAh and can easily last through a full day of regular to heavy day use. Overall, the Xiaomi 14T is a solid choice if you're looking for a mid-range phone with a great display and reliable performance. It offers a flagship-like experience at a more affordable price. Hey, I was even considering making it my main device and retire my Galaxy S21 Ultra, but man, that bloatware missed my feelings. But I still think that the package you get here is very good. I was even surprised that there was a case in the box, which most of the top dogs like Samsung and Apple sell devices for more than 1000 euros and don't even give a case. So all in all, for the first impressions, I'm really liking the device, and for 355 euros, it's definitely a good deal. Thank you guys for watching, I'll catch you on the next one.